In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account to PayPal in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll have your bank account connected in no time, allowing for easier transactions and transfers. First, let's navigate to the PayPal website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.paypal.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login. You'll be directed to a page where you need to enter your email address and password. Make sure you use the email and password associated with your PayPal account. Precision is key here. If you've forgotten your login details, there's a forgot password option to help you recover access. Upon entering your details, hit the login button. You'll be taken to your PayPal homepage, also known as your account summary page. Here you'll find an overview of your balance, recent activity, and other account features. Now direct your attention to the top of the page and find the wallet option. Click on Wallet and you'll be directed to a new page where you can manage your payment methods. On this page you'll see an option labelled Link a Card or Bank. Click on this option and from the drop down select Link a Bank Account. This will take you to a section where you can input your bank details. Start by entering the name of your bank, make sure you spell it correctly to avoid any issues. Next, input your bank code. This is a specific code that identifies your bank, so ensure you enter it correctly. Following that, enter your bank account number. Double check this information to prevent any errors with transactions later on. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on Link Your Bank. PayPal will now verify the information you provided. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. After verification, you may be required to follow additional prompts or steps. These might include confirming small deposits made by PayPal into your account, a security measure to ensure everything is set up properly. And there you have it. Your bank account is now linked to your PayPal account. This connection will make transfers much smoother and give you more flexibility in managing your finances online. If you encounter any hiccups along the way, PayPal's customer support is a great resource. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps if you need a refresher, or share this tutorial with friends who might find it useful. Have a great day and happy transactions.